again, everyone. So, this is our group ICT Smart Greenhouse Circuit. So, our agenda for today is introduction to our smart digital greenhouse and explanation of components and the wirings and the explanation of the code and its uses. So, this is our greenhouse, digital greenhouse. So, this is the whole look of it, the components and wirings, all of it. Our components and our wirings. I'm just gonna starting up with our water sensor with the ultrasonic sensor, the Arduino Uno, jump breadboard, and jumper wires and LCD display. The VCC pin of the ultrasonic sensor connects to the 5 volts of the Arduino. GND connects to GND. The trig pin goes to the digital pin 9, and the echo pin goes to digital pin 8. The breadboard distributes power and ground to the sensor, and the LCD is connected to via I2C. And the STA equals to A4, SCL equals to A5 to display the readings. This ultrasonic sensor measures the distance between itself and the water surface by sending out sound waves and timing their reflection. It also detects the water level, and if the level gets too low, high, the Arduino processes it and displays the result on the LCD by beep. Soil moisture sensor, the soil moisture sensor, Arduino Uno, breadboard, the buzzer, and LCD display. The VCC pin connects to the 5 volts on under Arduino, GND connects to GND, and the analog output connects to the analog pin, and the buzzer connects to the digital pin 6 for alerts, and the power and ground are shared through the breadboard rails. This sensor detects how wet or dry the soil is when inserted in the soil and sends an analog value to the Arduino. If the soil is too dry, the Arduino can trigger the buzzer and show a dry soil message on the LCD. It also helps monitor plant watering needs. For the pure motion sensor, we added the pure motion sensor infrared as we connect the VCC to the 5 volts, GND to the ground, and the out pin to the digital pin on the Arduino. This allows the sensor to detect infrared changes caused by the movement in the code. We defined the pure pin to read motion and to set as an input. When the sensor detects motion, it sends a signal to activate the LED, buzzer, or servo using the setup LED parentheses and parentheses function, and the LCD shows the motion status.
Let's move on to decoding. So let's start with our library readings first. To start, we added libraries to include a servo motor and I2C LTD. Then we defined components by connecting each one to a different Arduino pin. PIR is the PIR motion sensor pin, and soil pin is the soil moisture sensor pin. The components section operates a servo object and sets the location for the LCD display. Next, we use variables to store sensor readings, like time, distance, moisture value, moisture percentage, and motion state. In setting up, we also arranged the pin modes, initialize the LCD and servo, and use setup LED to control the LED and servo together. Now, let's move on to the water sensor section, where we used an ultrasonic sensor to measure the water level, and then a pulse will be sent and distance will be calculated based on echo time. If the distance is less than 50 centimeters, the LED will glow red, the servo will move to 180 degrees, a text displaying water low will appear on the LCD, and the buzzer will go off. If it is not less than 50 centimeters, the LED will glow blue, the servo will move to 90 degrees, a text displaying water normal will appear on the LCD, and the buzzer will stay silent. The setup LED function will help process the LED and servo, waiting 1.5 seconds before clearing the screen. For the soil moisture sensor, the code starts by reading the value and then calculates the percentage by a value of 139. The buzzer will go off and the LED will grow red if the percentage will become less than 40. Otherwise, the buzzer and LED will turn off and clear the display after 2 seconds. Finally, the PIR motion sensor will be detected through reading it, and if motion is detected, the LCD will display a series of warnings. The LED will glow green and the buzzer will stay beeping. If no motion is found, then the LCD will stay empty, the LED will turn off, and the buzzer will not go off.
And at last, this is our members and their participation.
That's all, and thank you. This is Group 4 signing out. Goodbye.